Welcome to the best picks. The best Cafe Ganoderma is probably one of the most talked about health and wellness coffee blends on the market, and for good reason. This 3-in-1 instant coffee combines the rich aroma of coffee with the purported health benefits of Ganoderma lucidum, offering a convenient and potentially beneficial way to start your day. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll put Cafe Ganoderma 3-in-1 to the test, exploring its taste, convenience, and the science behind its purported health claims to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Number 5. DXN Lingzhi Coffee 3-in-1. Start your day with the exquisite taste of DXN Lingzhi Coffee 3-in-1. It's the perfect blend of coffee and Ganoderma, offering a unique sensory experience. It combines the stimulating effects of coffee with the health benefits of Ganoderma. Each cup is a delightful treat for your senses. This 3-in-1 instant coffee is easy to prepare and offers a smooth, rich flavor that will leave you wanting more. Enjoy the convenience and delicious taste anytime. Simply add hot water and stir. It's the perfect pick-me-up for busy mornings or a relaxing afternoon treat. Enjoy this delicious and convenient beverage. It's more than just a coffee, it's a delicious way to incorporate the potential health benefits of Ganoderma into your daily routine. Discover the unique combination of taste and wellness. This coffee offers a unique sensory experience, combining the rich aroma of coffee with the subtle earthy notes of Ganoderma. It's a treat you'll savor. Each pack contains 20 convenient sachets, perfect for sharing or enjoying throughout the month. Stock up and enjoy this delicious coffee regularly. What we like? It's a classic coffee with added Ganoderma, providing health benefits in each cup. If you enjoy traditional coffee but want a healthier option, this is perfect for you. The convenient sachets make it ideal for on-the-go enjoyment. What people say. Great, been drinking this coffee for years. Quite tasty. Drank some with my family in Mexico and was excited to find it on Amazon to have back in the US. I absolutely love this coffee. My mom had been talking about it for a while and how it had a lot of health benefits, so I finally got it for her. We both loved it. Number 4. Gano XL 3-in-1 Coffee. Experience the rich taste of premium coffee, enhanced with the power of Ganoderma lucidum extract. It's a delicious and healthy way to start your day. We use only the boldest, richest coffee beans to create a truly exceptional cup. Enjoy the smooth, satisfying flavor. Each serving is packed with over 100 antioxidants, supporting your overall well-being. It's a delicious way to boost your health. This unique blend includes Ganoderma lucidum extract, known for its incredible health benefits. Discover the difference it makes. It helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels, contributing to a balanced and energized you. Enjoy the benefits of this unique blend. It's the perfect combination of great taste and incredible health benefits. Start your day the healthy way. What we like? This one boasts an abundance of antioxidants and a rich, bold flavor. If you are looking for a coffee that supports your well-being and has a robust taste, this is the one for you. The blood sugar balancing properties are a plus for those watching their sugar intake. What people say. It comes in bags so I can travel with my coffee. It is tasty, makes you feel healthy and tastes great. Every morning hot beverage, best choice. Number 3. DXN Lingzhi Lite Coffee. Experience the rich aroma and smooth taste of our new 3-in-1 instant coffee. It's the perfect blend of coffee, creamer, and sugar, with the added benefit of Ganoderma extract. This delightful coffee combines the best of both worlds, a delicious coffee experience with the added health benefits of Ganoderma. It contains Ganoderma extract, known for its many health benefits. Enjoy a delicious and healthy coffee break. It has a smooth and creamy texture that will tantalize your taste buds. Each sip is a moment of pure indulgence. Available in convenient sachets, it's perfect for on-the-go enjoyment. Simply add hot water and savor the delicious taste. It is quick and easy to prepare. Just add hot water to a sachet and enjoy a delicious cup of coffee anytime, anywhere. What we like? It offers a smooth and creamy coffee experience with the added benefits of Ganoderma. If you prefer a milder, more refined coffee flavor, this will be your favorite. The creamy texture makes it a delightful treat. What people say. Consistent flavor. I enjoy every morning. I feel that it keeps me healthy. At first the taste is weird since it doesn't taste like regular coffee. But as you keep drinking it daily you grow into the flavor and start liking it. It has a smooth, creamy taste. The best test of coffee, and it has organic sugar. Number 2. GanoCafe 3-in-1 Latte. This is GanoCafe 3-in-1, the perfect blend of coffee and Ganoderma for a healthy and delicious start to your day. It's convenient and easy to prepare. Let's open a box of GanoCafe. Each box contains 30 convenient sachets, perfect for a month's supply. It's infused with Ganoderma, a powerful mushroom known for its health benefits. Enjoy the rich flavor and feel the difference. This unique blend combines the rich taste of coffee with the health benefits of Ganoderma. It's a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. Simply add 1 sachet to hot water and stir. It's that easy. Enjoy a delicious and healthy cup of coffee anytime. You get 2 boxes of GanoCafe, that's 60 servings of delicious, healthy coffee. Enjoy. And that's not all. Your purchase includes a free box of Zri Rise coffee. It's a great addition to your daily routine. What we like. Get 2 boxes of delicious Ganoderma coffee plus a bonus coffee. If you love Ganoderma coffee and want great value, this deal is for you. It's perfect for those who consume coffee regularly and want a healthy option. What people say. My favorite coffee, delicious flavor, good booster for all my day. Muy bien café saludable y cremoso. Es un producto que te ayuda a vivir más saludable. Number 1. Gano Excel Cafe 3-in-1. This delicious 3-in-1 coffee combines the boldest, richest coffee beans with the health benefits of Ganoderma lucidum extract. It's the perfect way to start your day. It has a smooth, rich flavor that coffee lovers will adore. Each cup is expertly crafted for a truly satisfying experience. It's infused with Ganoderma lucidum, known for its incredible health properties. This special ingredient adds a unique depth to the flavor and provides numerous health benefits. It helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Enjoy your coffee while supporting your overall well-being. It's the perfect blend of taste and health benefits. It's a delicious and convenient way to incorporate Ganoderma lucidum into your daily routine. Make it a part of your daily routine and experience the delicious taste and health benefits for yourself. Order yours today. What we like. It provides a rich coffee experience with blood sugar balancing properties. If you're looking for a delicious and healthy coffee that helps manage blood sugar levels, this is a great choice. The Ganoderma extract adds an extra layer of health benefits. What people say. It is amazing coffee, easy to do and provides energy. Buen sabor para tomar una taza de café Gano 3-in-1 en la mañana. This is by far the best coffee I have ever tasted. My wife has been drinking it for a long time and love it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.